Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good Friday morning, and we are weekend ready. Welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. A lot exciting things happening this week, as we talked about yesterday with the Sierra Balmain event, 20-year anniversary. Next week we start. We will be broadcasting as well about midway through the week from the from Montenegro and the European Sky Running Championship, which we have a little team from Serbia Monthly and from Europa Property running in this as the business level, but really the top mountain runners in Europe will be there. We're not one of them. But we might hopefully we'll do okay in the business section. So it'll be a little bit of fun. We'll be broadcasting a lot from Montenegro. So if you're in Montenegro, definitely come join us there. Very nice area. Porto Montenegro will be in also later in the week. We're the media partners of the Skyrun, of the European Skyrun event. So a lot of fun there. We'll be running in it. Hopefully nothing bad happens. We'll see. So some exciting things there. We're also hoping that you're going to have a great weekend. I forgot about Winston. We'll go to Winston right now for the highlights. And we'll be right back.
Good Friday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. My name is Winston Norman and here are the headlines for today. And firstly, we'll start in Hungary, where Panattoni secured a food wholesaler near Budapest, and CTP has signed logistics deals totaling 31,000 square meters, also in Hungary. And moving to the Czech Republic, and construction of the residential project Astrid Gardens is progressing smoothly.
So, Winston, thank you for those highlights, and we'll come right back with the news. So, like I said, we'll be broadcasting from Montenegro over the next week, starting Wednesday, Thursday, a little bit from the mountains in this sky running event that we're media partners of, and also a bit from Porto Montenegro. And I think we'll have some interesting interviews and some from that area in Montenegro on investment. So interesting week there. We also have, and we're working on the whole team on our event in Prague, our retail marketplace event, which is going to take place September 18th and 19th, which is, if you're doing anything in retail, come to the Central Eastern Europe that week. It's really retail week. There's a lot of things happening in different countries, different retail events. But Monday, Tuesday is where you want to start. Even Sunday night in Prague or the weekend before in Prague is always a good start. We've got a lot going on for a lot of discussions and experts on the metaverse, innovation, logistics, a lot of brands coming in and potential international brands looking for partners, looking for local partners in Central Eastern Europe. So we've set a lot of those guys set up as well, franchisees, licensees, things like that, and people like that. Also, so this is our third annual event there, and we have our retail awards also in the evenings. So really, any for Czech Republic and Slovakia focus, but of course, any retailers looking in Hungary, Southeastern Europe, it's all great for the marketplace. So we'll see you there. That's September 18th, 19th. Take a look at the website. Book your meeting places, book your partnerships, sponsorships for the awards as well. Be a great 2 days. And it's always a good way to kick off retail week in Central Eastern Europe. So having said that, we'll take a little break and then we'll come back with Winston and the news for the week.
Welcome back. Panattoni has signed a new lease contract in Panattoni City Dock, Torok Balint, near Budapest. At the end of the summer, Bid Food Hungary will be located in Building A of the newly opened warehouse project, and it's 17,000 300 square meters they will take. And according to Jacob Smid, he's the executive director of Bid Food Hungary, Panettone's warehouse building is the ideal choice for our needs, and not only because of its strategic location, but also because of the storage services it offers. And according to Marian Toff, leasing director of Panettone, we're confident that our flexible approach and the high quality of the facility will contribute to tenant satisfaction. CTP has signed 3 new deals totaling 31,750 square meters in CT Park Budapest West and CT Park Rom, both located close to Hungary's capital city, Budapest. Tech Ball and Q Henberger are both signed at CT Park Budapest West. Tech Ball is a Hungarian-based company that manufactures tables for Tech Ball, a new football-based sport played on a curved table that is growing in popularity. The company is prioritizing nearshoring and will use the space to enhance its production capacity close to Western European distribution. And international logistics provider Q Henberger is also expanding at CT Park Budapest West, moving into a new 11,000 square meter unit. At CT Park Comoron, SKLS Hungary, a logistics company that is a part of the global battery company SK Group headquartered in South Korea, has taken 12,500 square meters. Fenrich Gondi, Managing Director of Hungary at CTP, says the decision these 3 businesses have taken to expand with CTP not only demonstrate the quality of our parks, but also the multitude of trends that are driving demand for logistics spaces in the Central and Eastern European region. And finally, for today, UBM in the Czech Republic has successfully completed the rough construction of the Astrid Garden residential project in Prague 7, where 138 apartments and 2 commercial units are being built. Construction of Astrid is scheduled for completion in the second half of 2024. The sale of the project, designed by architectural studio Bogle Architects, is being handled exclusively by the real estate agency Lexus Norton. And the project is located in Prague 7 and comprises of 7 new residential buildings and 1 original building undergoing a very sensitive renovation. And according to Alice Salmova, marketing and sales director of UBM in the Czech Republic, in terms of sales, there's a lot of interest in energy efficient apartments in the lucrative district of Prague's Holsovice area. Currently, almost a quarter of the apartments are sold out, and we are registering demand for small units. And those are the highlights from the website for today. Have a great weekend and join me again on Monday.
And Winston, thank you for that. Great that you're all here for this week. It's I know summer is in play now, and a lot of people are on holiday. But thanks for watching the show, and we will see you Monday morning here in Warsaw at, of course, as you know, the Panettone Cafe. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.